Welcome to today's video, where we uncover the 12 most powerful laws of financial education and personal finance that can help you generate money and build lasting wealth. These principles are not just theories, but proven strategies that can transform the way you think about money, savings, and investments. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to strengthen your wealth-building habits, this video is for you. Stay tuned, watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Number 12. Pay yourself first. One of the most powerful laws of personal finance is paying yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings or investments before you spend on anything else. By treating savings like an expense, you build discipline and prioritize your financial future over short-term wants. Over time, this habit creates a strong foundation of wealth and ensures you always have money working for you, rather than living paycheck to paycheck. Number 11. Control spending. Wealth is not just about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Controlling spending requires awareness of where your money goes every month. Creating a budget and cutting unnecessary expenses allows you to free up funds for savings and investments. Simple actions like avoiding impulse purchases or reducing luxury spending help you stay financially stable. By mastering spending control, you prevent financial leaks and move closer to achieving long-term financial independence and wealth. Number 10. Avoid bad debt. Debt can either be a tool or a trap. Bad debt, such as high-interest credit card balances or unnecessary loans, drains wealth instead of building it. Avoiding bad debt means being cautious about borrowing and ensuring that any debt you take on adds value, like investing in education or business. Keeping credit use limited and paying off balances quickly protects you from financial stress. The less bad debt you carry, the more money you keep for wealth-building opportunities. Number 9. Build emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net during unexpected events, such as job loss, medical issues, or urgent repairs. Without it, people often turn to debt, which worsens financial challenges. Setting aside 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account creates peace of mind and stability. An emergency fund allows you to handle life's surprises without disrupting long-term financial goals. This simple habit protects your wealth and keeps your financial journey on track. Number 8. Invest early. The earlier you start investing, the greater the power of compounding works in your favor. Small contributions made consistently over time can grow into substantial wealth. Investing early teaches patience and discipline while allowing money to multiply naturally. Whether through stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts, starting sooner builds stronger results. Waiting delays your financial growth, while beginning now sets you ahead. The key is consistency, not timing the market, as wealth compounds with time. Number 7. Diversify income. Relying on a single source of income is risky in today's world. Diversifying income means building multiple streams, such as side businesses, freelance work, dividends, or rental income. This approach increases financial security, reduces dependency on one employer, and opens opportunities for greater wealth. Even small secondary incomes, when managed properly, can grow into significant earnings. Diversification provides stability, protects you during economic changes, and accelerates the path toward financial freedom and long-term wealth creation. Number 6. Learn about assets. Assets are the foundation of wealth. They include anything that generates income or appreciates in value, such as investments, businesses, or real estate. Understanding what counts as an asset helps you focus on building things that put money in your pocket, rather than liabilities that drain it. Prioritizing asset growth ensures that your financial position strengthens over time. By learning how assets work and steadily acquiring them, you create long-term financial security and wealth stability. Number 5. Reduce liabilities. Liabilities are financial burdens that take money away from you, such as debts, loans, or unnecessary commitments. Reducing liabilities frees up more money to invest in wealth-building opportunities. This law emphasizes living below your means, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and paying off debts strategically. Every liability removed strengthens your financial base. When your liabilities are low and your assets grow, you increase your net worth and move closer to lasting financial independence and wealth creation. Number 4. Master budgeting. Budgeting is the roadmap of financial success. It allows you to plan your income, control expenses, and allocate resources wisely. A well-structured budget helps you meet short-term needs while keeping long-term goals in focus. By tracking spending, You identify waste and redirect funds to savings and investments. Budgeting builds discipline and clarity, preventing financial stress and uncertainty. Mastering this habit ensures you stay in charge of your money instead of money controlling your lifestyle and future. Number 3. Keep learning. Financial education is a lifelong journey. The more you learn about money, investing, and wealth strategies, the better decisions you make. Markets, opportunities, and tools are always changing, which makes continuous learning essential. Books, courses, and mentors provide valuable insights that help you avoid mistakes and grow wealth faster. Staying updated ensures that you don't fall behind financially. Knowledge is one of the greatest assets, and consistent learning keeps you ahead in building wealth. Number 2. Think long-term. Wealth is not built overnight. It requires patience and discipline. Thinking long-term means setting financial goals that span years or decades, such as retirement planning, property ownership, or business growth. Instead of focusing on quick wins or short-term pleasures, you prioritize lasting results. This mindset prevents impulsive decisions and ensures consistent progress. Long-term thinking aligns daily habits with future success, creating sustainable wealth. The patience to wait and stay disciplined becomes the real secret to wealth. Number 1. Build wealth mindset. All financial success starts with mindset. Building a wealth mindset means believing in growth, practicing discipline, and focusing on abundance instead of scarcity. It shapes your habits, decisions, and attitude toward money. With the right mindset, you see opportunities instead of obstacles, and you stay committed even when challenges arise. A strong financial mindset drives you to save, invest, and manage wisely. Wealth follows those who think and act with clarity, vision, and confidence. Thanks for watching this video on the 12 most powerful laws of financial education and personal finance. Apply these timeless principles to create stability, growth, and long-term wealth in your life. If you found this helpful, share it with others, and make sure you hit that subscribe button.